Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this wooden hoop from Dollar Tree, 2 small Dollar Tree Jenga blocks, and a piece of wood from my stash. I'm going to glue one Jenga block down in the center of the wood, and then I am going to take the hoop and place it next to that and glue that into place. And then I'm going to take the other Jenga block and glue it behind that hoop to hold it in place. I'll just get that in there, and that's going to hold our hoop upright. Then I'm just kind of pushing off all the glue that came out from underneath it. I don't want any of that on there. And then once I have that all together, I am going to take my antique wax and I'm going to stain the whole entire thing. So that bottom base, the Jenga blocks, and the whole hoop. And that bottom base is just a flat piece of wood that I had in my stash. You can use anything as a base. It's up to you. So once I get all of that on there and glued, I'm just going to take this and just cover the entire thing with the antique wax, making sure that I get even the bottom half of that hoop. And then I'm just going to let that dry thoroughly. Next, I'm going to take this love cutout from Hobby Lobby, I believe. I'm going to paint that with an antique white. And I did just the front part of it. I didn't do the sides or the back. I'm just going to leave those natural, but just the front of it with this very light colored antique white. Once I have that all painted, I'm going to put that in the center of the hoop here, kind of get it where I want it. And I'm going to try and attempt and fail at my first couple of times to flip it over while it's still on there, but I realized that that was kind of impossible. I'm going to try and mark out where the hoop hits the love just so I can put the glue on those spots. So I decided to hold it on one side, draw my lines, and then do the same on the other side. And I'm just trying to make sure that I get it so that I can put the glue in just those spots so I'm not putting glue where it doesn't need to be. So now I'm going to place that glue down, and then I'm going to add that right to the front of the hoop, and I'm going to try and line up those lines. And get that glued on there, and look at how cute that looks. Next, I'm going to take these 2 pieces of small greenery I picked off of a larger pick from, I believe these were from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to glue those to the very top of the hoop. And I'm just using 2 small pieces. You could add more if you wanted to, that's up to you. And I'm just going to glue those on. And then I made this bow out of like a chiffon ribbon. And it's just a simple bow, and I'm going to glue that right to the top in the center of those 2 pieces of greenery. And I'm just doing this flat instead of like pointing the bow towards anything. I'm just doing it, laying it flat right on the top. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute. It's really neutral and pretty, and it was easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.